Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is Thursday, March 20th, 2025. This week is almost over. Unbelievable. Time is just flying by. All right, let's see. Who is here this morning so far? Richie, good morning to you. Joe, good morning. Benjamin, good morning to you. Beth, good morning. Mitch, good morning to you. Rich, good morning to you. Rich Mitchell, as opposed to Richie, the G-Dog. Let's see, who else? That's who we got so far. Let's see, real quick. Again, remember, this is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. This is not considered to be financial advice. This is just a way for me to kind of document my journey for you guys. You can kind of go along with me and see what it is that I'm doing. I do not encourage you to copy my trades or, this is just kind of an idea to give you what it is that I'm doing and do what you may with that information. So with that, let's go into the charts. Okay. So, I've had a pretty nice move on the overnight. Not really quite sure what happened. But if we start marking some levels, we've got a high that was somewhere around here. This was right before the London Open, but the London Open was right here. We'll just put the high there, and then we'll put the low down here. I did take a couple of trades in the overnight for the London session that you guys know that we started talking about it yesterday. So the 3 o'clock trade, or the 3:05 trade, got in right here and got out profit here. So the price that we got in at is 20,063, and we got out at 20,075. So took profit. That was a winning trade. And then at the 4 o'clock hour, we got in at 20,055, and it went 73 ticks in our favor. Just like a point, almost 2 points shy of our target, reversed and closed out at 5 o'clock, which is the way it's designed. It's designed to close the trade out at 5. So if it doesn't hit target within the hour, it closes the trade out automatically. And we got taken out at 55 and a quarter for basically 1 quarter. So 1 tick in profit. So basically a break even. This is something that if you're trading like Apex accounts or something like that with your intraday trailing drawdown or intraday, you might want to watch this carefully, because you don't want this thing to go all the way up and then, because this will go against your drawdown. And it's pretty significant. So if you're trading Apex accounts, you'd want to kind of keep an eye on this. And once you see this thing starting to reverse, get out, even if you didn't hit full target. So hope that kind of makes sense. That covers the overnight. Let's see what we got going on for today. We've got another just 2 minutes roughly before the market opens. So we are kind of testing down here at the lows. How's the 15-minute look? We are basically trading downwards. You can tell all the time frames are trading down. So it looks like the market sentiment is to push down. We definitely want this thing to go to the upside. Try to get above this pivot level would be good. Actually, right now we're in the 15-minute opening range from yesterday. This is where we tried to break out of it again. Is trying to stay out of it. But we just came back into it. So I don't know how significant that is usually for the prior day, but it's something that I've been kind of watching, just to kind of taking mental notes, that we have been doing this the last couple of days, where we basically break out of it overnight and then come back into it before the next day's open, which is today, right? So yesterday's opening range, the 15-minute opening range, and we're back in it. And, so we'll see if we try to break out of it. If we break out of it, then we probably will get a long signal. If we don't and we stay back in it, then we will not. So 5:30 this morning, we had some news this morning. Let's see, what did we have? We had the Philadelphia Manufacturing Index and initial jobless claims. The Philadelphia was a high level, and the jobless claims was a high level. We also had some medium level as well, but that's what it was. So the initial jobless claims, that's what happened. So good morning to you, Trader Hawk. Oh, that's 8:30. I'm thinking 5:30 p.m. I don't know. I don't know what happened Eastern, 5:30 Eastern. I thought you were saying 5:30, like as in my time. Anyway, market just opened. I don't know what happened. I don't see anything on the news schedule. Let's take a look and see if Financial Juice has anything that happened during that time. Let's see. It's 8:30, 8 o'clock. $5:30. Yeah, nothing. I don't see anything. Yeah, nothing. Who knows? Have no idea. Wasn't trading at that time, so good for me, I guess. I don't have to worry about it. All right, so market open. Let me just make sure we get some orders going if we can.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay. And as we can see, the market is pushing down. Trying to test this low here at 735. We need to get this thing, above the 800s for us to get a long signal. UC, what's that? What's UC, Benjamin? So as we wait, looks like the NASDAQ's trying to push up. See if it'll be enough to get us above. See, it did try to come out here and test this, so it failed to. Well, it made made a higher low here from this. Now it's pushing back up. Yeah, this is a moving average right here. Good morning, Trampus. How you doing? Yeah, Rich. This is a moving average. It's a 21 EMA. I don't use it to trade off of it. I just use it for reference to kind of see, if price is going to bounce off of it or anything like that. So it's good. We're up above the 800s, which is good. We want to see that. We want to see if this thing will continue. So we want to see if it can test or reach to the 860s, which will probably somewhere be our target. Depends on how we do. Wow, this is really pushing up. I don't like it when it does it this big of a candle, because then that means it usually retraces back a little bit. All right. So if this basically stays up here, then we will have a long entry. But like I said, I get a little nervous when this kind of stuff happens, especially when we're testing these highs right here. It's going to be an interesting setup. We'll see what happens, because usually it does have a tendency to retrace back a little bit, but we'll see how big of a wick we get here. Let's take a look at the smaller time frames, what that's given us. Well, so far so good. We've got just about 30 seconds. So if we can stay above, like I said, this price range, I'm looking above actually 820, and we're going to get a long signal. So in 20 seconds or so, we are definitely going to get an entry, and we'll see what happens. Got 10 seconds, and we are going to take this thing going long. Well, and we'll see what happens. All right, here we go. So we got in.
Order filled.
It is pulling back a little bit.
Order filled.
It's trying to push up the target. It just hit target. We are out.
Order filled.
And
order filled. Order filled.
got some stuff that's backwards here. Give me a second. Okay, and make sure everything is closed. Got to cancel all my orders. Anyway, so another winning trade for us today, guys, which is good. Let me just clear out all my orders here that are kind of sitting there ghosting. Okay. We are green across all the accounts, which is good. All right. So another successful trade this morning, guys, which is good. That's 2 in a row. 2 days in a row. We're doing good. So it looks like the expansion of the stop is helping us. It did pull back a little bit. And it's good that we had our stop where we did with that modification. Seemed to have kept us into the trade. Yeah, Rich, still using that 50 tick stop. So let's just, if you guys are still in here, sorry about that. For those of you who are still in here and haven't left yet, we'll take a look at the numbers for the way it's been. So let's see. Give me 1 second. Let me transfer this over here. So here is the trade stats from February 18th for the last 30 days, including today's trade. And you can tell this is our equity curve. We basically have not lost a single trade that we took with the expansion of the stop. Right? So if we look at the trades, here's the trade, here's today's trade. We got in at 9:35, got out at 9:35 and 32 seconds. So we were in it for 32 seconds. That was today. And what was it, yesterday? Yeah, yesterday we were only in for like 2 seconds. So, all right. So there you have it, guys. Again, thank you very much for joining me this morning. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys are enjoying this. Hey, good morning, Tanonian. Yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this content and enjoying watching me go along on my journey. I actually had somebody reach out to me about the trade copiers that I use and how to use them. And I think what I'm going to do is one day next week, we'll run the stream a little bit longer, and we'll kind of go through how to set that up. So if you guys are interested, you reach out to me, either let me know in the comments section below, or let me know in the Discord, and we'll do that as well. Okay, real quick, we'll just throw this up there just so you guys have it. This is the link to get to the Discord. Monday, Mitch? Okay, we can do that on Monday. Sure, it's not a problem. At least we'll do that. Then we're also going to have a giveaway since we did hit 1,100 subscribers on the YouTube channel. I'm going to do the giveaway for the trade copier. So that would be a good time. I'm not sure what day we'll do it next week. So we'll go over how to set it up. And actually, give me 1 second, guys. I still have positions open here. That's not good. Anyway, I'll take care of that. Okay, guys. So we'll see you guys next week. All right. Have a great rest of the day, and we will talk to you guys later.